take our previous program that was built off of the header files introduction. We're going to take that one step further now with structs and show you how to actually start using the struct template, so to speak, that we just created with that abstract data type person. Right? So person is now a living data type inside of our program. Okay, this is person. Whenever we deal with a person, we have all of these member variables that can come along with it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make an instance of a person here. And to do that, I need to address the struct data type now, just person. Then we need to give it an identifier, because now person is now a data type, right? We've just defined it as a data type. So person is a data type. Now I need to give it a name, an identifier. I'm going to go ahead and just call it Tim, and I'm going to call it uppercase Tim. Okay. And now that I've declared this variable here, I could initialize it. And the way to initialize it is you can actually give it, remember this here, just like with arrays, the exact same thing. It goes in order from top to bottom. So first would be name, next would be age, height, eye color. So that would look like this, Tim, age, and I'll just put lean on the keyboard. I'm really old. And next would be, was it height? We'll just say I'm over 10 feet tall. And for, what was the last one? Eye color, we will say blue. And now this is initialized. Now if I don't actually care about the initialization of this here, I can go ahead and just address the members directly. To do that, we need to use the dot operator. Now what the dot operator does is it takes the base object, or whatever it is that you're dealing with here, which is going to be Tim, and you then hit the period, which is now our dot operator, and then you're going to just type whatever it is that you want to address. The first thing was name. So tim.name you can set equal to Tim. Tim dot, I believe the next one was age, is equal to, we'll just put, I don't know. Today I seem to be acting rather young for my age here. And Tim dot height, and what did I say? It was 10 feet tall. No, it's more like 6 feet tall. So we'll put 6, and I think, did we make that a double or an int? Oh, we did. We made it a double. So we'll put 6.0. And let's make this more true to life here. All right, and Tim dot what was the last? Eye color. Let's do brown. And I forgot my assignment operator. There we go. So now I've set all of the data inside of this here. And if I were to use cout, I would say this person's name is Tim. Sorry guys, microphone is in my way here. Tim.name. There we go. Cout this person's age is and this is gonna get old real quick. We'll just leave it at this here. Let me go ahead and run this program. And check this out. We see Tim.name returns Tim, exactly like we said so. Here, age is 29. Look at that. So there we go. We have age right here that we've specified. Height, eye color, all these sorts of things, these are now stored inside of that struct. So that's something to take a look at with the members here. We talked about, just a recap, initializing them from the start. You can do that by using the curly braces method and just, pass in the data, so to speak, that way. So first was name, so we need to put name. Next was age, so we'll put age. And yeah, I'm just sticking data in here, guys, so don't think I'm getting older by the second here. Then we have height and eye color. There we are. And yeah, and that's how to initialize it. Cool. Well, hopefully you found this video helpful in dealing with structs. It's not, it's not difficult. This is something that we want to use, going forward, to group our data to allow multiple instances of this. I mean, it doesn't stop here. If we wanted to make another person, we can use now the leverage, and look how powerful this is here. If we wanted to have another person here, what if we wanted to have a person about Tom, and Tom could have his own set of data. It could be Tom. He is 40, and he is 5'9", and his eye color is blue. Or how about something more interesting like green or something like that? Yeah, sure. Okay. So now we have two instances of person running around, all with different sets of data. And it's really something that we can use to make a lot of now sets of these objects that we're going to be dealing with. So think about this in grand scale. When you're playing a first-person shooter and you have one enemy that comes on a screen, or how about Mario or something like that, you get one little turtle that comes on screen, then another little turtle. Each one of those turtles can be an instance with all of its associated data coming into play. So that's really what we're trying to promote here. So hopefully this helped you out a little bit. If you have any questions on it, please post, and we'll see if we can sort through those. Thanks, guys.